All right, boys and girls, so far I have finished one section of my mandala, and then I have completed my full-size mandala by copying this and rotating it 4 times. Now we're going to do one more step to this project. We're going to create a collaborative mandala. So that means you're going to take a section of one of your classmates, and you're going to use one of your section and have 3 classmates, so that's 4 different people put together. So collaborative means many different people's art in one work of art. So here again, I'm going to go File, New Drawing, and I want to make sure I change this to 8 inches. So I'm going to go File, Page Setup, Custom, 8 and 8 inches, and click OK. Okay, so I am going to import my little section of my mandala and then have 3 classmates imported in. So I'm going to go Insert Image from my computer like I did before. Oops, there we go. And I'm going to choose my mandala piece. So I've got one piece here so far. Okay, and then I'm going to share my mandala with a few of my classmates. So at least 3 of my classmates, and then at least 3 of my classmates will share theirs with me. So I'm going to take my original mandala file right here, and if you can't find it, you'll probably have to go back to your Google Drive and search for that file. So let's see, I'm in my drive here, and I see my little corner piece. That would be mandala number 1. So I'm going to click on that. And then up here, this little blue button that says Share, you're going to share it with 3 of your classmates. So you're just going to type in the names of your classmates. So let's see, I'm going to share it with 3 different teachers just to give you an example. So I'm going to share this with Mrs. Bostran. So see her name, I've got her name here. And then I'll share it with Mrs. Gower. And then I can share it with Mrs. Lowitz. So you will type in your classmates' names, and then once you've typed that in, you're just going to click Send, and you will send your file to 3 of your classmates. Okay, so once you've sent your file to 3 of your classmates, then it's time to go back to your Google Drive, and in this little grid here, you're going to go to you can go to your mail, or you can go also to Shared with Me. So if you click Shared with Me, you should see a list of things that people have shared with you. So you should be able to find the mandala pieces in there. I'm going to go also to my mail, because I should have shared one with myself here. There we go. So you should see somebody's name and something that they shared with you, so a drawing that they shared with you. So I'm going to click that and open it in Drawings. So here's a drawing that somebody has shared with me. So I can do the same process of saving this. I can go File, Download as JPEG image file, and that will save this person's file to my drive. And then I can go back to my work here, my collaborative mandala, and I'm going to insert their file into my mandala. So I can go Insert Image, Upload from my computer, bring up the list of my drive here, and I should be able to see that mandala piece in my drive here, and then I'll click on it and I'll open that file, and I should be able to save that file and put it into my work of art here. So let's see, for some reason that file is not coming up. Let's try that again here. Insert Image from my computer. There it is, the untitled mandala drawing. Okay, so I'll choose that. So now I have another piece of someone else's mandala. I'm going to rotate this around and fit it in with mine. So now I have 2 pieces here. And then I'll have 2 different classmates in these 2 sections here. Okay, so in the end, you should have 4 different people. 1 is your own, and 3 is your other classmates. So look back in your mail or in your Shared with Me and see if you can find your classmates who have shared files with you. Okay, so when you're finished, you should have 2 mandalas. 1 is just your own, and 1 is you plus 3 other classmates to create a whole mandala here. Okay.